With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that two cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the mean and standard deviation of the number of aces. We have to find the mean and standard deviation of number of aces. So let's start the question. Here, let us suppose that let x be the random variable. X with the random variable. We have supposed that x is a random variable where x denotes the number of aces. What we have to find? Number of aces in a pack of well shuffled deck of 52 cards from deck of 52 cards. So here x, since we have been drawing two cards with replacement, so the x can take values here. X can take values as 0, 1 and 2. We will be going to 1 and maximum 2 values. So px is equal to 0. For x equal to 0, here it means we are not getting any aces, or both cards drawn are non-aces. For non-aces card it will be 48. Since non-ace cards are 48, there are 4 aces, so 48 are non-aces. So 48C2 means we are taking out 2 cards from 48 cards upon 52C. This will be, on further solving, we get 48 upon factorial 2 into factorial 46 whole divided by factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial, this will be 50 upon factorial 52. If we solve this further, we will be getting 188 upon 221. Now we have to find for p x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means 1 is ace and 1 is ace card and 1 is non-ace. 1 is ace card and 1 is non-ace card. For one card to be ace, we are taking out 1 card from 4 cards, second, and 48 cards non-ace, we are taking 51 card there also. On solving this, we get factorial 4 upon factorial 1 into factorial 3, and here 48 into factorial 1 into factorial 7. This will be 2 into factorial 50 whole divided by factorial 52. On further solving, we will be getting as 32 upon 221. Now, on further solving, for px is equal to 2. For px equal to 2, it means both cards are aces. If both the cards are aces, then we are options of 4C2 upon 52C2. This will be equal to 1 upon 221. This is the total number of probability distribution. Now if we draw the probability distribution table for this, we will be getting, let's say it is x, this is x, and x, it means xi, this is pi, and xi is going to 0, 1 and 2. For xi it is 188, pi is 188 upon 221. For 1 it is 32 upon 221, and for this 1 upon 221. This is the total, or we can say table of the, this is the table for probability distribution. Now what we have to find? We have to find the mean of the function and standard deviation. Mean can be written as mu or summation of xi into pi. Summation of xi into pi, and it means 0 into 188 upon 221 plus 1 into 32 upon 221 plus 2 into 1 upon 221. On further solving, we get 33 upon 221, that is, it will be 2 upon 30. On further solving, it is mean. Now we have to find the variance. For finding the variance of the function, variance will be sigma square. Sigma square can be found out by summation xi square into pi minus u square. If we put the values of this here, we get xi, that is 0 into 188 upon 221 plus 1 into 32 upon 221 plus 2 to the 4 into 1 upon 221 minus 4 u square, that is 4 upon 169. If we solve this, we get 36 upon 221 minus 4 upon 169. On further solving, we get 400. We get 400 upon taking the LCM, we get 2873. This is our standard deviation and this is our mean. I hope you understand this. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.